Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In our last episode, we were exploring the bustling city of Karachi and discovering its delicious cuisine and its main dishes. And today we're traveling from Karachi to the heart of Punjab, to the beautiful and historical city of Multan. Multan, with a population of over 1.8 million people, is known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and incredible food. Multan is approximately 900 kilometers from Karachi, and it takes about 12 hours to get there by train or 1 hour and a half by flight. So get ready to join me to explore and taste the top dishes of this city, and let's dive right in. After arriving at the Multan train station, we found ourselves right in the bustling city center. The area was quite busy, filled with a vibrant energy. We immediately started to look for food, and our first dish of the day is Naveed Pulao. Naveed Pulao is a fragrant and flavorful rice dish that holds a special place in Multan's culinary tradition. This dish is named after a popular local chef, Naveed, who perfected the recipe. It features long-grain basmati rice cooked with a rich broth of meat, usually mutton or chicken, aromatic spices, and a mix of vegetables. The key spices included cumin, coriander, cinnamon, cloves, and bay leaves, which infuse the rice with a distinctive aroma and taste. I would rate Naveed Pulao a solid 8.5 out of 10 for its aromatic flavors and perfect blend of spices. And our second dish for today is Rewari Halwa. Rewari Halwa is a beloved traditional dessert from Multan, famous for its rich texture and deep flavors. This halwa is made primarily from semolina, ghee, sugar, and water. With the addition of cardamom for fragrance, it is slow cooked to achieve a dense. Often, it is garnished with an array of nuts like almond, pistachios, and cashew. It's a perfect blend of sweet and aromatic flavors. The cardamom adds a subtle hint of spice, enhancing the overall flavor profile. The nuts offer a texture contrast, making the dessert both flavorful and satisfying. I would give Rewari Halwa a 9 out of 10 for its rich texture, deep flavors, and perfect balance of sweetness and spice. And the last dish of the day is a full goat dish, Multan style. This full goat dish is a grand culinary masterpiece, often served at special occasions and large gatherings in Multan. The whole goat is marinated overnight with a blend of spices, including cumin, coriander, turmeric, ginger and garlic, and also chili powder, which penetrate deep into the meat, ensuring every bite is flavorful. The goat is then slow cooked to tender perfection, allowing the flavors to melt beautifully. One of the unique features of this dish is the addition of shredded carrots, which are sautéed with onions, tomatoes, and mix of spices before being incorporated into the dish. The carrots add a hint of sweetness and a vibrant color, balancing the rich and savory flavors of the goat. This dish is typically garnished with fresh coriander and green chilies for an extra kick. If you ask me about the taste, that was incredibly tender and juicy, falling off the bone. The shredded carrots add a subtle sweetness and a slightly crunchy texture, providing a pleasant contrast to the tender meat. The garnish of fresh coriander and green chilies added freshness and a bite of heat, rounding out the dish perfectly. I would rate this full goat a 9 out of 10. And I can say with confidence that this was the best I've eaten in Pakistan so far. Its rich and complex flavors and delightful balance of savory and sweetness. Alright, that was a wrap up for our journey through Multan, from a sweet and delightful Rewari Halwa to the savory Naveed Pulao and the amazing full goat. This city truly has something special for every food lover. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more food adventures across Pakistan. We will be exploring more cities and their incredible cuisine. So stay tuned, thanks for watching, and see you next time.